Okay guys, we're gonna make a paper airplane that's gonna look like this. Are you gonna need a paper? I'm gonna go get some. I forgot. Hold on.
Alright, see you guys in a couple hours. Huh? Be good. I know, I'm trying to finish this.
Okay, back. Okay. First, you are going to fold it in half so it looks like this. Then you're going to unfold it and put the top right corner and put it in the middle, and then take the other corner and take the other top corner and put it in the middle.
You gotta clean the bottom of the chair so hair off the bottom.
So it looks like this. Then you're gonna take that side and put it in the middle. And then take the other side, put it in the middle.
Huh?
You need to help me take this off. It's hard.
Some of them have them on there, some don't.
So it looks like this.
Oh!
Oh yeah, Poopin!
They're playing.
You wanna play with her or are you gonna help me with this?
So okay. So did you do that? Get that right? Okay. Okay. Now you're gonna fold it so it looks like this. Okay. So it looks like that. Then you're gonna unfold it.
You don't know?
So you're gonna fold. Then you're gonna. What?
You eat them.
Okay. Don't unfold it. Don't unfold it. Put it back on. Then you're gonna take the side that you're on, and flip it until it's on the bottom line. So it looks like that. Then you're gonna take the other side and do the same thing. Alright. Okay. So it looks like this. That's the end of the video. Now I got two. Now I got two to take care of. Two to take care of. Two to take care of.